suis dans mon mood, j'ai besoin de rien, juste besoin de tes mains, de toi, de moi, de nous. Je suis dans mon mood, j'ai besoin de rien, juste besoin de tes mains, de toi, de moi, de nous.
Salut! After 8 hours of travel, I have arrived in Cassis, and I'm so excited to take you along on my travels at the Côte d'Azur. In this video we'll be exploring Nice, Villefranche Sur Mer, Cassis and many more places. This video focuses on the eastern part of the region, which is also called French Riviera. Today I want to see a bit more of Cassis and then head out early tomorrow to see the Calanque. First, let's explore the village of Cassis. Strolling around at the port for a bit, I wanted to check out this beach I saw from afar before. It was an early wake-up call the next morning because I wanted to experience the Calanque without the crowds.
So there's two ways to reach the Calanque. You can either hike, like I am, or take the boat.
On my hike, I learned that you can't take a shortcut through the sea, and I got lost 2 times. Eventually though, I made it all the way down to Calanque.
No, it really is.
Take me other thing going to do. Where is the life I? Where's my shy? Who is this called living? I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my shy? Who is this called living? I don't know. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I left behind me. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I left behind me. Just live myself behind me. Just live myself. Behind me. Look behind me. Look behind. Look behind. Look behind. Where's the life I? Where's my shy? Who is this called living? Look behind. I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my shy? Who is this called living? Look behind. I don't know. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself.
The next day, I took the train to Nice.
The things I left behind me.
So my first impression of Nice was, wow, so many people. Coming from Cassis, it was quite the adjustment, and there were just so many crowds. Maybe it's the introvert in me, but I was a bit overwhelmed. So I first went to the Promenade des Anglais and relaxed a bit on the beach. Then I went to Castle Hill, which has this incredible overview over Nice. Later on I went to Vieille, the old town, and explored a bit. To sum up my evening, I went to this vegan restaurant and had this vegan pizza right here. On day 2 I decided to take the coastal path to Villefranche Sur Mer. This part I actually enjoyed, and there are some great beaches along the way. The path to Villefranche Sur Mer is about 6 kilometers long and takes about an hour and 30 minutes. There are some great beaches along the way where you can swim or just enjoy the view. Bonjour! Today we're exploring Menton, and right now I'm at the garden at Palais Carnot, which has the largest collection of citrus plants in whole Europe. Menton is actually famous for growing the best lemons, and that is due to its mild climate and many hours of sunshine. I was really curious to see Menton in person because I've read that it compares to the Cinque Terre villages, and it did remind me a bit of these Italian style villages. And you could definitely see the Italian influences in Menton. If you want to see the whole video I made about Menton, then check it out at the end of this video or click right here. In Menton, I've explored the old town and discovered its colorful buildings. Of course, also worth to see is the Basilique Saint-Michel, which is over 370 years old.
Parce que je me sentais seule dans ma petite bulle. Je voulais danser mais je me sentais comme un funambule. Parce que je me sentais seule et t'es arrivé. T'as soufflé sur mon visage comme une brise légère d'été. Oh, 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 viens on s'en va même si on ne sait pas vraiment où l'on va. Juste loin de là. Oh, 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 viens on part loin, qu'importe le chemin, qu'importe le destin. Viens juste on part loin. Je suis dans mon mood, j'ai besoin de rien.
On our last day we explored Es and Monaco. In Es I've mainly chilled on the beach for a bit until I went to Monaco. In my opinion, Monaco isn't really charming. There's not a lot to see, just not a huge fan of it. But I've mainly went there to say I've been to this country, which, by the way, has the highest life expectancy with 89 years. So I guess money can buy a few things. Monaco is a sovereign city-state and ruled by a constitutional monarchy. It's the second smallest country in the world and the 21st country I visited. The luxury port town is known for the iconic Monte Carlo Casino, the Princess Palace, and luxury sports cars driving around. Also, some of the richest people live here to avoid income tax. Okay, wow, that's a pretty impressive view. This is the Princess Palace, where the current day Prince Albert II still resides. The palace is open to visitors from April through mid-October. Here's the changing of the guards that takes place at 11:55 a.m. daily.
Okay guys, I'm just walking towards the last stop of the journey, which is Ladroto Beach. I'll just be enjoying this beach and the sunshine. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to see more. Until next time.